I apologize, I ran out of space, but these were in that pack. Green Prism Coby White and a Zion. And I can't believe I kind of got that on film. I started to unveil that Coby White and then ran out of space. Wow, what a start. Wow. I'm glad I decided to bust this. Evan Fournier. There's that Kendrick Williams. Brandon Ingram silver. Darius Garland. Man. Nice blaster. Nice blaster. Glenn Robinson. Shaji. Another green. Spencer Dinwiddie. Bruno. Alright. Man, these are awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Hardaway Jr. Myers Leonard. There's a give and go. Malcolm Brogdon. It's just a regular, isn't it? Yeah. And Patrick Ewing. Alright, 2 packs left. There's another Coby White. It'll be a base, but that's alright. We'll take his all day. Spencer again. Oubre. Here's another greenie. Who is it? C.D. Osman. Alright. These aren't numbered or anything. They're just green prisms. And a Coby White. Last pack. Montrezl Harrell. Tyus Jones. Got game Ben Simmons and a Steph Curry MVP. That's it. But these 3 right here, LeBron Prism, the Zion, and Coby White green. Awesome. Thank y'all.